Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brokanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be addressing a leak that's coming from the front differential. So about a week ago, I started to notice a puddle right underneath the front diff, and as I went to inspect where it was coming from, it looks like it's coming from the center of the differential there. There's a gasket right here. It looks like right there, we're at that point, is where the leak is coming from. Now, I inspected the axles themselves, right by the flanges, to see if there was any leaks. You know, thinking that maybe the leak was coming from axle seal, a faulty axle seal, but both sides of the diff don't show any leaks at all. So my guess is that the leak is coming from right down in here. So we need to change the gaskets right here, the center gasket. Parts that I'm going to be using in this project are GM genuine parts, center gasket here, and then there is a smaller gasket for the longer output shaft that's on the passenger side, and then 2 oil seals. These are all GM parts, and what I'll do is I'll have a list of these below in the comment section, so you guys don't have to do any guesswork. Now, depending on the year of your vehicle, you might want to have to go in to the dealership because they required a VIN for proper fitment. So some of these might be VIN specific. I believe the gaskets were VIN specific, but just to be on the safe side, it's good to kind of go to the dealership and find out what they are. Get the parts at least, the part numbers from the dealership. Now, this cost me about $170 at the dealership, but probably on Amazon you could probably get it for the whole deal for probably about $100. But you know, I was at the dealership already, and I didn't want to have to wait because I need to address this right away. So yeah, so I paid the dealership price. All right, gang. Well, I'm just going to jump right into it. I'll have some helpful captions throughout the video, calling out what size sockets and what processes that I'm doing. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. All right, so got the front diff out, and just kind of inspecting the gasket, and you can see like right about here, right there, that's where the leak is coming from. So it's from this main gasket or center gasket right here that kind of blew out, and that's where the leak was coming from, right there. So I'm just going to disassemble the shafts here, open up the carrier, the housing, take off the old, remove the old gasket, put the new one in, and then work on changing out the seals, which are located right here and here. Let's keep mechanicking. All right, gang, now that the front differential is put back together, all that's left to do now is add 2 quarts of gear oil, and it's 80/90. That's what's recommended for the front differential, and just for your information, the rear takes 75/90. And from there, I'll just reinstall the front differential back in its place and call it a day. So that'll wrap things up for this project. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. And yeah, I'll have more upcoming. So thanks for checking out the channel, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.